Borough Market, fresh juices. This is like a must try.
Drop over the line and then...
And just to update you guys on my job search. Good morning, everyone. I am currently getting ready because I have a very exciting day ahead and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. My makeup look is very simple today. I'm just gonna do some mascara, eyeliner, and lip gloss. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of lip liner. This is like the perfect everyday shade. This is the Versed Silk Slip Tinted Lip Oil. I'm gonna finish off with my Jo Malone English Pear and Freesia perfume that I love so much. If you saw my recent vlog, I just picked it up and it's such a good scent. And I'm gonna be wearing my NEJ claw clip. So it looks like this. Okay, so my outfit of the day is super casual and comfortable because I'm gonna be doing lots of walking. I'm going to the Tate Modern and the Borough Market today. I'm so excited. I literally have been wanting to go to the Tate for so long. It's the Modern Art Museum in London. It's free, so it's super fun activity to do, and also Borough Market is just like the most amazing market with so many food options, and I literally am bringing a Tupperware container to bring some leftovers home for my dinner tonight, so that's how you know it's good. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing this Abercrombie button-up with these Abercrombie wide leg pants and this belt that's also from Abercrombie. So my whole outfit is from Abercrombie. And I'm just wearing my rings and my classic Tiffany bean necklace. Just a really cute casual spring outfit. It's a sunny, beautiful day today, so I'm super excited. I'm just gonna wear my Air Force Ones because they're the most comfortable and I'm really excited. So let's head out to the Tate. Hello guys, so I am crossing the bridge right now to the south part of London. So I'm doing great with timing. My reservation for the museum is in 5 minutes and I think I'm like 5 minutes away. So I'm really excited to see the Tate. I don't really know how much I can film in there, but I will let you guys know how it is. Right now and I love it. It's super cool. There's just a lot of different genres of art, so it's just like a lot to absorb and take in, but I'm really enjoying it so far. Guys, it's literally snowing. This morning it was sunny. And now I came out of the museum and it's snowing, so lovely. At least I got to experience one snow day in London during my time here. I think it's supposed to get sunny again in the afternoon, so we'll see, but I had the best time at Tate Modern. It was so beautiful, and now I'm walking to Borough Market and I'm gonna do like a little Borough Market food tour. Luckily Borough Market is, okay, it's really snowing super hard. I literally got caught in a blizzard. Wow, there's like snow hitting my face. All right, I'm gonna put my camera away. I'll see you guys at Borough Market. Okay, I'm at the kind of outer section of Borough Market. This is a lot of like coffee products. There's some cheeses, some chocolates, some pastries and things like that on this sort of outer section. So yeah, a lot of really great options. I had a vegan cheese here that was really delicious, but I'm just gonna walk through, kind of show you guys what it's like. It's now sunny again, so I don't understand the weather, but yeah, I'm excited. So now I'm kind of in the, what I would personally call like the main produce and kind of condiments, jarred goods, and things like that. There's lots of bread, there's meat, there's seafood, there is eggs, there's cheese, there's lots of oils and truffle. I'm gonna do my best to kind of walk you guys through the market and show you my favorite things. Here we have some fresh fruits, some flowers. Here is the collection of balsamic vinegars and olive oils. I'm personally a huge fan of olive oil that's in these beautiful bottles. I would love to have this as like a decor for my kitchen, but also a really great olive oil. My favorite thing to look at is probably all the different cheeses. Oh, this is my favorite. It's truffle brie. First of all, brie is my favorite cheese, and when there's truffle in it, it's just 10 times better. I really recommend trying that if you have not. Here's so many different types of smoked sausages. This is probably one of the most gorgeous displays of produce that I've ever seen. They have, I think, everything here. I love this place for fresh juices and lemonades. Really good. Yay! There's already a really large line for eating inside, but I'm just gonna get one of the prawn baos for takeaway. This is my shrimp bao bun. It's so good. All right, let's try it. This is like a must try if you're at Borough Market. It is insane. Now I'm at Porteña and they have really amazing empanadas and steak sandwiches, so I'm going to grab one empanada. Yo quiero una empanada de pollo, por favor. Nada más. Gracias. Adios. I got my chicken empanada. Okay, now I'm gonna try my empanada, which is a chicken empanada. So good. So this is Mei Mei and they have the best Chinese chicken rice, but I think today I'm gonna get the roast duck rice because I'm really craving some roast duck. Alright guys, I just got my roast duck bowl. Here is a close-up of it. It looks really good. Super good. This will be easier to eat at home though, so I'm gonna probably pack most of it. Alright guys, it is mac and cheese time. Oh, that's good. I think I could just eat this whole plate right now. Hello guys, I am back home in my sunny apartment. I think it's gonna be sunny for the rest of the day now, but I just wanted to say that I love that this apartment faces south because we get so much direct sunlight throughout the day, like literally through the morning to the afternoon. We get so much sun, and I'm fairly certain that this is going to be a requirement for me for all future apartments because I have lived in some apartments that face north and don't get any direct sunlight throughout the day, and I feel like I'm just so much happier when I have windows that face south. We also have huge like floor to ceiling balcony door windows, and I will just lay on the couch and sunbathe, and I just feel so productive. I don't feel like this pressure to like get out and enjoy the sun because I'm enjoying the sun in my own home. I love that so much. So I am enjoying the sunny day and I'm working a little bit. I have a call in about 45 minutes for a potential job opportunity that I'm really excited about. And just to update you guys on my job search, I would say that I've started compiling a list of companies that I'm interested in. I've been reaching out to people through LinkedIn and talking to them about their roles at their companies and kind of asking about the culture and just dipping my toes in the water, if that makes sense, of the career market. I have to say that I'm very, 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 very grateful to you guys that I've had the ability to make YouTube videos and support myself during this time, because without YouTube, I couldn't take this time to really make sure that I'm finding a job that's the right fit for me, and I would probably rush into something, which is not what I want to do. I really want to find a company that aligns really well with my values and I'm really interested in the product or service of the company, because I feel like for me that's really crucial. I would really love to create content about things that I'm already interested in, whether that's like food or home or travel or anything along those lines. My goal is to start around summer of this year, something full-time. And yeah, I'm just gonna have a little bit of a working session until my call. I'm gonna listen to the Anything Goes podcast.
I literally did not know how to say no to these things when I was younger. Like if somebody